students, welcome back to Yalnidhi channel. Today we are going to see about an interesting infographic design, that is the timeline design in an infographic style, where the elements will be able to glow itself through an animation like this. Look at that. When you are presenting your timeline details to your students or your viewers, if the timeline elements started to glow, it will give an attractive during your presentation like this. These designs will be an interesting one to learn, and I will tell you how to create this design. Let's get into the topic. Now I am creating a new slide. I really don't need this text boxes, so I am deleting it. Now I am going to change the background, where I need the background as gradient fill. In that you can choose your background as dark as you like. I am creating a 3-stop gradient fill so that my background will be darker and 3-colored darkness. Okay, I think this is okay for me. And now I am going to insert some shapes. I am choosing this magnetic disc. Depending upon the number of stages, you can increase your elements. I'm trying to increase the sizes one by one, and I'm using the final element. Okay. Now I have created the elements for my timeline presentation, and I am adjusting the shapes for equally distributed space allotment. And now I am going to change the colors, and I am going to fix another or elliptical shaped element in each of the element for giving a attractive design. I am choosing the oval shape, and this oval shape will be fixed on to the each cylinders. Okay, now I have completed the cylindrical elements. And now I'm going to change the colors of each element. First, I'm choosing that oval. As yellow. I'm fixing a two stop elements so that I really doesn't need this. Okay, now the cylinder. In cylinder you choose a lighter color for the bottom shape so that it will give you a glowing like design. After fixing the color, just group into a single element and try to choose the border as black, and I'm changing the colors for all the elements. If your background is dark, you can choose the colors as a lighter one so that it will give you a glowing like I'm fixing the colors one by one. Always try to give lighter colors and darker for the top portion. Like this. Make colors for your shapes. Increase your brightness if you are not able to give a perfect color for your shapes. Increase the transparency the bottom portion should be very lighter than the topper portion. Okay. So all the elements have been colored. This one I have not grouped. Okay, if you feel comfortable about the colors and glowing elements, then you can proceed further for your design. Okay, now I am going to insert text box. I am giving as 2014. And 16, just for my convenience I am giving this here. You can add your course contents or your materials in this text boxes. Now I am going to increase the font size for better appearance. Okay. Now I am going to give animation, and I am giving this element as fly in first, and then add animation. In that I am giving pulse, so there will be a 2 animation, and then I am giving this text box as fly in, where this fly in animation will be after previous. Now I am going to check the preview. Now I am clicking on the slide where this element came as first, and then it's glowing and this text box is coming. So you can choose the animation, and you can check it. If the animation should be continued till the slide end, you can go to until end of slide. This can be obtained from here, this animation plane, where the animation plane you can modify the animations. Now I am modifying this animation into timing, where the timing I can change the time as 1 second, and I need that glowing animation until end of my slide. Okay. Then the next part, it comes as fly in, and I am adding another animation as pulse, where this pulse will start with previous and it's effect options, it will be a 1 second and it close until end of my slide. In this text box as fly in, it will comes after with previous. Again this one, fly in, add animation, pulse. This pulse will be 1 second until end of my slide. Again this text box, fly in, start previous. So you can make this animation painter, copy this animation through this animation painter. After clicking, click on that element, the same animation will be copied and pasted. Again I am showing, click on the element, click on the animation painter and click on the next element you need. I'm sorry, actually click on that, click on animation painter, click on the element. Yes, that's fine. Then click text box. This text box is coming very fast. Now I am changing the timing to 1 second. Okay. Okay. Now my slide is ready. Now I am clicking on the slideshow. Yes, now my slide is ready and my animation is also ready. Whenever I click on or press the next button, my content is animated and the slide will looks very attractive. I hope you enjoyed this animation. Thanks for watching and subscribe Yalnidhi channel for more videos. Thank you viewers.